The selection of equipment for opening a gluten processing factory should be determined based on the production scale. Family workshops, small factories, large-scale production lines and product types. Grilled gluten, water gluten, oil gluten, etc. We take the production of grilled gluten skewers as an example to introduce. The key equipment is as follows. Dough mixer. The main raw material for making gluten is vital wheat gluten. Vital wheat gluten and water are mixed and stirred in proportion to form gluten dough. Dough mixers are generally tipping bucket vertical dough mixers, which can enhance the toughness of gluten. Well-preserved gluten needs to be allowed to rest for a certain period of time. Gluten forming equipment. Cutting, forming machines. Select based on the product form, such as dedicated forming machines for baked gluten, rolling gluten into a spiral shape, cutting machines cutting into long strips and squares, and gluten forming machines including large fully automatic gluten forming machines and small gluten winding machines. Fully automatic gluten forming machines can automatically divide gluten into blocks and automatically wind and form gluten rolls. Small gluten winding machine. First, it needs to be processed through a gluten block machine, and then the gluten is wound into shape by a small gluten winding machine. Steaming equipment, such as steaming pots and steam double-layer pots, which are used for steaming water gluten. Cooling equipment. Cooked gluten, after being cooled by cold water, is rapidly cooled down, facilitating subsequent processing. Skewer and flour cutting machine. If the cooked and cooled gluten needs to be skewered and cut into flours for stretching, an automatic skewering, cutting and stretching machine should be equipped, which can automatically skewer and cut the gluten into flours. Packaging machine. Select based on packaging requirements, such as